Find the maximum value of the function fx equal to 41 plus 24x minus 18x square. Was till the end to know its full explanation. How we can find its maximum value? We use the differentiation, right? And first of all, we find its first order derivative f dash x. So first we find f dash x. F dash x is equals to derivative of 41 plus 24 into x minus 18x square with respect to x is equals to 24 minus 36x, right? We have used here the formula derivative of x to the power n with respect to x equals to n into x to the power n minus 1. Now we find the critical point where the function does not neither increase nor decrease, right? So for this we let f dash x equals to 0. Okay, therefore we get here 24 minus 36x equals to what? 0. Now we have x equals to what? X equals to 24 by 36. And if we cancel the common factors from numerator and denominator, then we get what? 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. We have a critical point x equal to 2 by 3, and now we have two choices, first derivative test, also we have the second derivative test. We use here the second derivative test. For this we find f double dash x, and f double dash x is equals to the derivative of f dash x with respect to x, and which is what? A derivative of 24 with respect to x is 0 because this is constant, and derivative of minus 36 into x is equal to minus 36. If we put the critical point in second order derivative, means in f double dash x, then what we get? f double dash 2 by 3 is equals to minus 36, which is less than 0. And we know that if at any critical point, if second order derivative is less than 0, then at that point function give us maximum value, right? Therefore fx has local maximum value at 2 by 3. Local maximum value at what? At x equals to 2 by 3, and we have to find the maximum value. Therefore the greatest value, the maximum value of fx, maximum value of fx is what? It's equals to f2 by 3. f2 by 3. We put x equal to 2 by 3 in given function, then we get what? 41 plus 24 into 2 by 3 and minus 18 into 2 by 3 whole square. Okay, if we solve them, then we get here what? 8 3 is 24, and it becomes 9 9 2 is 18, and 2 is 4 4 2 is 8, means here we get 41 plus 8 2 is 16 minus 8 49. Okay, 49 is the greatest value, the maximum value of this function at point x equal to 2 by 3. I hope you all have understood it very well. Thank you.